Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Steam QR code login. All right, let's begin. First, open the Steam app on your Android phone or iPhone and sign in to your Steam account. Before using the QR code login feature, you need to make sure Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator is enabled on your account. To do this, tap the shield icon in the bottom navigation bar inside the Steam app, then select Add Authenticator. Steam will send a verification code to your registered email address. Enter the code to continue the setup process. After that, Steam will provide you with a recovery code. Make sure to save this code somewhere safe because it can help you recover your account if you lose access to your device. Once the setup is complete, tap Done and the QR scanner camera will open automatically. Next, go to your computer and open Steam. On the login screen, select the option to sign in using a QR code. A QR code will appear on your screen. Now, point your phone's camera at the QR code and confirm the login request on your mobile device. After a few seconds, Steam will automatically sign you into your account on the computer. So that's basically how you can use Steam QR code login. That's it for this video. Thanks.